In this short tutorial, I will show you how to link your Instagram account to TikTok. It's a quick and easy process that will allow people to access your Instagram profile through TikTok. By linking the two accounts, you can reach a wider audience. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the Edit Profile button. Now under the Social section, you will see an option called Add Instagram. Just tap on it. And then log into your Instagram account. Enter the phone number, username, or email associated with your Instagram account, and the password. All you have to do now is tap Allow on all of these pop-ups to link your Instagram account with your TikTok account. Now you've successfully linked the two platforms. If I go back, you'll see that there is now an Instagram icon on my TikTok profile, and people can tap on that button to access and see my Instagram account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.